I think Career Services has been one of the most useful resources on campus, just because it's another person who can give you more advice and specialized advice targeting industry-specific knowledge.
They talk to all of the recruiters. They're an open line of communication. Any question I have, I can take to Career Services. If they don't have an answer, they'll find it. I would never have found the DoD side of Boeing. The recruiters came to Embry-Riddle, and if I was not here going to a Career Services presentation about Boeing, I would have never found that job.
Embry-Riddle is a wonderful university. They give you so much help to be ready, to adapt to life after college. This summer, I have an internship with Bell Helicopter down in Fort Worth, Texas. I will be doing supply chain management, so get the opportunity to see what it's like.
The internships I've done have definitely helped me prepare for a job after graduation, but also at university. Some of the classes I've had have been really industry focused and used programs that are already used on internship and I already know these companies are using. So that's really been helping me prepare for starting the industry.
Embry-Riddle is not a school that you come here just to pass. You come here to learn who you are, to be pushed forward and be at the center of innovation. It's something that you strive to do, you strive to be a better person. And we learn firsthand from their experiences what those companies are looking for in the industry and what we can do to better prepare ourselves. Every professor is looking out for you. From interview help to job help, Embry-Riddle will be there to help me get that job no matter what.